My camera opens to a wide shot of the endless ocean stretching out to meet the vast horizon. The waves rise and fall in a soothing, gentle rhythm, their glistening foam catching the sunlight as the sound of the surf fills the air. The bright blue sky above is unmarred by clouds, a pristine dome over the scene. My drone glides smoothly overhead, capturing the tranquil beauty of Ocean Beach near San Diego. On this morning, I was fortunate to receive a mega dose of vitamin C here in Ocean Beach. It was one of those perfect days where the sky feels infinite and the waves invite you into their gentle embrace. Just watching them roll in and out can bring a sense of peace and well-being. I hope it does the same for you. I shift to a top-down view of the shoreline. The undulating waves kiss the moss-covered rocks, sending ripples of water into the living tide pools. I hover even closer, revealing the intricate dance of the moss swaying gently beneath the surface as the water flows over and through it. Looking down from above, I was mesmerized by how the waves seemed to nurture the moss, bringing nutrients into the tide pools and around the rocks. It's like a symphony of movement and connection, a reminder of how nature is constantly renewing itself. Watching this from above felt almost like being part of the cycle of life. I pan slowly to a hole in the rocks where waves crash through, sending plumes of spray into the air. The force and beauty of the water's motion are captivating and mesmerizing. This hole in the rocks reminded me of Thor's Well, a spot I filmed several years ago on the Oregon coast. I once stood nearby in the waves to photograph for over 3 frigid hours. Nature's ability to create these stunning formations and patterns never ceases to amaze me. It's a reminder of the power and artistry of water, a sculptor, a life giver, and a healer. Then I spotted a lone seagull perched on a sunlit rock, its white feathers gleaming against the deep blues and greens of the ocean. I moved in gently, capturing the bird preening itself, completely at ease. He surveyed the scene with an air of quiet confidence. He seemed completely unaware of me and my drone, or perhaps he simply didn't care. He let me get close enough to look him right in the eye. There was something profound about that moment. This bird, just living its best life, at peace with the world around it. It's rare these days to feel that kind of stillness, that kind of unity with nature. I think it's so renewing to simply be in nature, to immerse yourself in it, to breathe with it, to feel its rhythms. We are natural beings vibrating at the frequency of the earth itself. When we allow ourselves to align with that frequency, we can tap into the healing power of eternity. Everyone can use some quiet, relaxing time like this to consciously disconnect from the noise and disharmony of the world and reconnect with the essence of who we are. It's a simple thing, but it's not always easy to make time for it in today's world. Yet, when we do, the rewards are really profound. I encourage you, take a moment, find your own slice of nature, heaven on earth. Let it renew you. Let it remind you that you are part of something vast, something beautiful, something eternal. We all need a little more vitamin C in our lives.